So guys, you want to go to Google and then type in dev C++. You want to go to the website by dev-c++. Once we're here, you want to click on download. We're going to get the dev C++ download, which includes the minj.w compiler. So make sure that you get this one and then click on download full version. It's now going to take you to here. The download should now start in 5 seconds. It should start automatically. And now once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it and then click on yes. Make sure you do not install this version over an existing dev C++ installation and then click on OK. Choose your language and then click on OK and then click on I agree. Make sure that you have the minj.w compiler ticked. For me personally, I'm just going to leave everything ticked how it is and then click on next. Choose your destination folder. I'm going to keep it on the default and then click on install. It's now going to start installing. Just wait for this to load. You can install dev C++ for all users on your computer. I'm just going to install it on my one account which I'm currently on, so I'm going to click on no. However, if you do want to install it for the users on your computer, then click on yes. Now once that's been done, you can tick the box so we can launch it, so click on finish. It should now start launching. And we're now on it. If it's your first time launching this, you can just configure all the settings. Just go through the settings. And then yeah, that's how you do it.